Welcome to EDU Quest, the app that turns your curiosity into a daily learning adventure.
Get quizzes, in-depth explanations with citations, and a personalized study plan, all powered by Perplexity Sonar. We've all been overwhelmed by information overload and never know where to start.
EDU Quest solves that with bite-sized quizzes, instant feedback, and trustworthy citations, all automated via Perplexity Sonar API.
Save your picks, and each day EDU Quest will serve up a fresh quiz in one of your selected domains.
Start each day with a 5-question quiz, easy to access from your phone or desktop.
Onboarding generates a 7-day roadmap across your chosen subjects, daily objectives clearly laid out.
Track your streak, revisit past quizzes, and watch your confidence grow.
Stripe integration makes checkout secure and seamless, with automatic trial expiration handling.
Enjoy EDU Quest free for 7 days, then continue your journey with a simple monthly subscription.
Ready to turn curiosity into habit?
Join EDU Quest now and start your daily learning adventure.
Let the quest begin.